issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hill County in central Texas until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:33 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Covington, or 11 miles northwest of Hillsboro, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and $half-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hillsboro, Whitney, Itasca, Hubbard, Bloom, Covington, Benham, Carl's Corner, Aquila Lake, Lake Whitney State Park, Lake Whitney, Retreat, Abbott, Mount Calm, Malone, Penelope, Mertens, Aquila, Irene, and Osceola. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 355 and 369. Interstate 35W between mile markers 1 and 13. Interstate 35E between mile markers 371 and 378. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.